Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to load larger files faster. Alright, let's get started. So right now, I'm going to open a bigger file, a larger file. So we'll just wait for it to request. Alright, and once it's starting to load, we can always click onto navigation and then click onto the smallest room and then click on single space. Alright, the next thing we want to do to speed up the process is to hide all these items such as our furniture, tiles, closet. Alright, so by doing these steps, okay, we can actually speed up the process of loading a larger files. Alright, so we just wait for it to finish. Okay, so once it's done loading 100%, right now we can start showing everything. Alright, and there you have it. This is how to load a larger file. Good luck trying, guys.